Hi children, let us welcome back to our session. In previous video, we learned bird on the seashore. Yes children, today we are going to learn about how to write singulars for the plurals. What are the singulars and what are the plurals in grammar book chapter 3. Yes children, sometimes we add yes to the singular word to become a plural word. Sometimes it becomes IES. Children, when a word ends with S, SH, or X, we have to add ES to the plural sounds. If suppose a word ends with O or before a vowel, we have to write yes to the plural word. And again, one more example, fourth exercise. In fourth exercise, if a word, suppose this word is ending with O letter, but if it has a consonant letter before, these words ending with ES. Once again I am telling you, if like these words, if this word ends with O, it has a consonant before, then the plural word we have to add ES. We have to add ES to the singular word to write a plural word. Understand children? Suppose if a word, you take a potato or tomato. You take a potato or tomato. Here in the above exercise, that means in third exercise, the word ends with O, but it has an vowel before. But in fourth exercise, the word ending with O, but it has a consonant before. Understand children? That time we have to add ES to the plural word to make a plural word. Here we add only yes when it has a vowel before. But here when the O has a consonant letter before, then it ends with ES. Tomato, tomatoes. Understand children? Likewise, sometimes we are exemptions here. Diamonos. Photos. In this rule, these are exemption. Mosquitoes. So we could write like this also. Understand children? And then fifth one, by adding S to the singular noun ending in F or ending in F or FE as beliefs, chiefs, proofs, safes. When a letter ends with F or FE. Understand children? Then we have to write yes. Then sixth one, when a word ends with F or FE or EF, then it becomes into V. Calves, half, a house, lives. See, here the ending letter is F. When you write plural, this F becomes VES. Calves, halves. Here life, FE. It is ending with FE. Lives, knife, knives, EF. Understand children? F, FE or EF. 3 times. 3 times. Which exercise? Fifth exercise. In fifth exercise, if a word ends with F or EF or FE, then the F becomes VES. The F becomes VES. Suppose when you take half, half, this F is written like HAL, till that it is same. F, in the place of F we write VES. Next, thief, THIEF. Here this letter is ending in EF. EF. Here also we write THIVES. Thieves. Yes children, THIEVES. Thieves. Only F becomes VES. Yes children, like that we have to make plural sounds. Yes children, this is sixth one. Next, seventh one, if ends with Y letter, we have to write yes. Yes children, by adding S to the noun ending in Y and having a vowel sound A-E-I-O-U before Y as S. Monkey, E sound coming. So then it is a singular word. It is pronouncing yes, E sound. Then we have to add yes. Again, by changing Y into I and then adding ES if there is a consonant before Y. Army, armies. Here we have to observe little because here boy, day, key. Here when you observe, the before letter is a vowel. When a vowel we have before Y, then it is ending with yes. If the Y has a consonant letter before, then the Y becomes IES. IES. Understand children? Next, by changing the inside vowels of some singular nouns as foot, feet. When we have two vowels, then it becomes goose, geese, louse, lice, man, men, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. These are some other singular words which are changed only the vowels. Understand children? Likewise, you have to observe little bit and understand the things. As children, only there is only little change. We have to observe vowels and consonants when the letters ending. Yes children. So here we have the exercises. I hope it is very easy for you to complete the exercise. If you don't understand, you could call me or you could read once again the exercises, that means for the examples what they have given, and completed these exercises. C1, C2. And here also you have C3. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of nouns given in brackets. Please switch off these. These is what? Singular or plural? Yes, it is plural nouns to refer. So these light or lights. Then you try to understand the blank. She is fond of fruit or fruits. Then Abdul has two wife or wives. What are the dash doing today? Here we get plural verb. When the plural verb comes, which noun you supposed to write? Child or children? Understand, children? He gave the beggar 1 rupee or rupees. Already they mentioned 1. When you say 1, how much money you refer here? Our town has many factory or factories. We crossed several valley or valleys. Several means what? Next, only 1 or 2. There is a magic show or shows today. Show or shows. A magic. A magic. Try to understand the given sentence, and according to that you fill in the blanks. And here also complete these sentences, changing each word in brackets to mean more than one. The police arrested 4 dash yesterday. 4, here they gave in the bracket thief. So 4 is many kada. Then you have to write singular word or plural word. These dash are made of wood. These referring to many. Next, the teacher took the dash to the zoo. Child or children. Next, 5 dash are grazing in the field. A week has 7 day or what? Cut this apple into 2 half they have given. How to write a plural for the half? The dash were playing football. Were. This bank has 3 in the city. Branch or branches. She bought 2 baskets of mango or what? These dash are very sharp. These. Understand, children? Again, rewrite the following sentences, changing the noun from the singular number into the plural as the case may be. An apple grows on the tree. Apples grow on trees. Apples grow trees. Understand, children? Likewise, a cow is a useful animal. Cows are useful animals. Understand, children? Here in the place of apple they wrote apples. In the place of tree, singular tree, they wrote trees. Likewise, there is a book on the shelves. These are books on the shelves. The cat kills the mouse. Cats kills mouses. Mother gave the boy a loaf of bread. Mother gave boys loaves of bread. These are oxen in the field. In the fields. Understand, children? You have to write. Again, let us see this exercise. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the nouns from the plural into the singular number of nouns. They have given plural nouns, then we have to write singular nouns. Only one child was in the park. There were many children in the park. Only one child was in the park. The geese are swimming in the ponds. The goose is swimming in the pond. Likewise, the nurses carry the babies. The nurse carries the baby. These chairs are made of iron. This chair is made of iron. Dogs are friends of men. Dog is a friend of man. Monkeys can climb up trees easily. Monkey can climb up tree easily. Understand, children? Till this, you complete your homework. Page number 105. 105. Yes, children, if you have any doubt regarding this, you could call me and ask me. Understand, children? You could clear your doubts. This is your homework.